Today I will show you how you can stop pop-up ads on your home screen in the Android device. So if you have any pop-up ads when you're using your phone, that means you have sounds like a notification virus, sounds like a unwanted software, and you can always try to check your app list. Just go to the settings, apps and app management or app list, and check that you have any unwanted app here, the app that you not installed before. If you see something like that, just open it and tap uninstall. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can always try to download an antivirus app. In my case it will be Avast. It's very simple. So we have to skip this window, continue as free, tap on the start scan and add the permissions to files on your phone. It's necessary, and just use the regular or deep scan. You can start from the regular scan, and now I was looking for all unwanted software and malwares. That's it. After the scan, of course, Avast will delete it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.